wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best smart light bulbs. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you're looking for a way to inject some nighttime vibrancy into one of your rooms, the Kobra Retro 4-pack will do the trick. Each bulb glows in up to 16 different colors, but they don't get as bright as some of the other options. They do offer flash and strobe modes and are ideal for parties and events. However, the remote has a rather short range. At number 9, with an almost endless variety of color choices, the Lucero RGB can set the atmosphere in a room with the tap of a finger. Using the Bluetooth app, you can create a sensual environment for a romantic dinner or pump up the energy for a party. No Wi-Fi hub is needed and it can sync with music, but its connectivity can be spotty. Coming in at number 8 on our list, get the party started with the Lightstory music, which can use both visuals and audio to create the perfect mood. Connect to it via Bluetooth and you can not only light up the room, but blast your favorite tunes through its built-in speaker as well. It's available in 2 different sizes and can also be used as an alarm. However, the app controls only one bulb at a time. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for smart light bulbs, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, a simple and affordable option, the sengled element is a good choice for the smart home enthusiast on a budget. With an equivalent of 60 watts, it can get very bright, but can easily be dimmed over Wi-Fi with the iOS or Android app. It's available in daylight or soft white, and the app can monitor energy use too. A hub is required for this one though. Moving up our list to number 6. Capable of controlling a single bulb or a group, the app for the Flux Bluetooth allows you to personalize the lighting in any room from the palm of your hand. This model has a lifespan of up to 20,000 hours, which can help you save money over time. It offers an extremely fast startup time and the ability to create custom programs. However, its color range is limited. Halfway up our list at number 5. A hit at parties, the magiclight multicolor connects to your Wi-Fi and features 20 pre-programmed color operating modes to bring your indoor environment to life. It can be controlled via Amazon Alexa, your smartphone, or your tablet. It boasts a built-in memory and sound syncing, along with a sunrise option for gradual brightening. It promises a quick and easy reset process too. At number 4, if you want a set of Wi-Fi connected bulbs and aren't looking for any crazy colors, the TP-Link 3-pack should fit the bill. These efficient LEDs can last a long time, and you can even track how much energy they use by linking them to a free app. They'll work with Alexa and Google Home and don't require a hub. They're also available in singles. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Cree Connected is compatible with a number of devices, including smartphones, Amazon Echo, Wink and Wemo, making it a highly versatile option. It can also be programmed to turn on or off automatically at certain times of the day. It features omnidirectional lighting, a classic light bulb shape and look, and an energy-efficient design. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for smart light bulbs, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, for a comprehensive suite of features at an affordable price, consider the lohas dimmable. The Wi-Fi connection allows you to control it from anywhere you have internet access, and through the free Tuya app you can set the brightness, color and more. It can be controlled in groups and installation is simple. It offers 8 preset light scenes. And taking the top spot on our list, bring your house into the future with the Philips Hue Starter Kit. The 4 bulbs connect easily to Wi-Fi and can be controlled via a free app. Or you could pair them with additional accessories like a dimmer switch or motion sensor for a complete smart home experience. They can sync with music or movies and come with a wake-up feature. There are millions of color options. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for smart light bulbs, or simply click beneath this video.